If you need to request a refund from Venmo, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you handle the process correctly. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to your transaction history by tapping on the Activity tab. Find the specific transaction for which you want a refund. Step 3. Request a refund. Once you find the transaction, tap on it to view the details. If you sent money to someone, you can tap on the More Options button and select Request a Refund. Fill in any necessary details to explain why you are requesting the refund. Step 4. Communicate with the recipient. After sending the refund request, it's a good idea to communicate directly with the recipient. You can send them a message through Venmo to explain the situation and encourage them to approve the refund. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response or the refund is not processed, follow up with the recipient after a few days. If necessary, you can also reach out to Venmo's customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund through Venmo. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for help.